channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you are looking for some hallway transformation, a banister DIY or just a home update, or you just want to be nosy and see what it looks like to turn a white banister black, because that is what I've done. I've given my hallway a refresh, a makeover. It looks so much more modern now and I love it. So what I'm going to do is take you back and just get on and paint and just let you guys watch, and then I will show you the banister at the end. It actually isn't finished, but I couldn't wait any longer to get this video out for you guys, so I want to share it with you. So as you can see, I'm in my painting clothes, my comfies, and I'm just going to get on and try and wipe all the dust off the skirting boards. There was loads before I go around painting, and yeah, I just didn't want lots of lumpy bumpy bits on my roller. I'm just going to give this a quick once over, the white bit. This was called White Whisper from B&M. It was really good coverage, and it just made it a little bit warmer than the bright white that I bought before. So I am just going over everywhere. Please excuse the colour of my socks, you can see. And then I'm going to start on the banister. Oh, by this point I was so done in. It was such a long day and I just thought I can't anymore. So I did a few more bits that I missed, and then I'm going to call it a day and do another layer later or the next day. I got up early this morning and I just had the almighty urge to just get it done in a day. So I went on ChatGPT and I asked it, how can I get it done in a day, blah blah blah, and what I actually need. And it said, because we've painted, well, I've painted the hallway now, so that's almost finished, but I'm getting impatient and I just want to get the banisters done this weekend so I can decorate. Apparently we need sugar soap to clean it first, and primer. This one was recommended by ChatGPT. And then I have my paint. Yeah, I've got my paint, and then because it's matte, it said to lock it in with this so it won't like chip in a week or a month or something. And I just got these paintbrushes as well just to go over it. I'm going to crack on now and get painting. I kept this moist by putting it in a Ziploc bag, so it's not going to dry out overnight. I want to get another layer on the walls and then start all the prep for the banister and get it done this weekend. I'd say wish me luck, but there is no wishing and there is no luck. It's happening. I'm making it happen. Excuse all the mess in the kitchen. I can't be bothered today. We are on mission, paint the stairs. I should also mention that I did sand it as well, but I didn't record that bit. I have no idea why. But it was only a light sand here and there just to get any bits off. I've got a rubber glove and one of Anne's socks. This made it so much easier to get it around all the spindles and just get in all the little nooks and crannies. And yeah, it just made it go a lot faster as well. Didn't actually think this would take as long as it did, but it did. And the handrail here was so bad that I had to scrape it off. There was so much thick paint on there, and the deep like scratches from the cat were just ridiculously deep. So I tried to get that down as much as I can with the scraper, and I sanded it as well. Then wiped it all down, and then I'm going in with the first layer of primer. Honestly, it looks so good after the primer. I could have left it white, but I really wanted to carry on with the vision that I had of the black banister. These were so bad, like it had come off ages ago, and there is a few bits that do need filling in with wood filler, but I just don't have the patience, if I'm honest. I peeled back the carpet as well, and this is what it looks like around the edge of the stairs. You can see all the paint had chipped off, so I have wiped it all down, sanded it, and yeah, and then I'm going to give it a layer, and now we're going to go in with the black paint. It's all dry now, and I was just having a moment of I am hesitating. I could not believe I was actually doing this. A bit petrified. Oh my god, I've never painted anything black before. Oh my god, what am I doing? I can't believe I'm actually doing this. I just felt so naughty. This did take like 2 days to give it the first coat, and as you can see, it went on really, really well. It was just so weird. Oh, a cute little moment with me and the cat here. He was just sitting there watching me falling asleep. How adorable. So this is the first layer of paint, and I love how it looks. I then had to go around all the sides, and I also tried to fix the carpet because it's a bit loose. And then I'm putting a mirror up. This is the one out the bathroom upstairs, but I actually bought it for this purpose, and I love it. I've got a little bench there, and I'm just going to remind you guys of the very boring before, and now here is the after. I love it so much. It's absolutely what I was imagining. It even looks better than what I thought it would, to be honest, because it's really opened up the stairs where the black is going around. So yeah, I don't like the light. Do not like the light. I need that replacing. And don't get me started on the flooring. It's vile, but it's what we have for now, so it's going to have to do. Okay, so the hallway is finished. I love it, absolutely love it. It's got quite a nice sheen to it. It's actually the washable paint, and I will link it in the description which paint it is, or just write it on the screen. So I haven't finished around the edge because I just ran out of time. I ran out of masking tape. I actually bought some that I thought was masking tape, and it wasn't, it was double-sided tape. So hope he's having fun with that, making pictures. But yeah. Yes, how nice does it look? And we have a bench as well, so I can sit here, put my boots on. This was actually the dining bench for the table, but it's going to live here now. But I did say by next Christmas we'll have a new table and chairs, and we haven't. But anyway, I did want like a stair carpet runner that goes straight down the middle, and it was a similar colour, to be honest, as this really old, I mean, it's so worn as the carpet is, but yeah, it was the same sort of colour, but I love it. Can't wait to put my wreath up here on the door for Christmas, and I can't wait to put all of my garlands on here as well for Christmas. Put this olive tree here, and I also put these pictures. These are so cute. You can get them off Amazon or Temu, and you can open them up and swap, like, you can swap pictures of your loved ones, or you can put like drawings. I've put some paintings in that Hope has done for me because they're Christmassy. Let me just show you. Can you see? How cute. Super, super cute. I don't like the light, that does need changing, but for now it's all done. The upstairs, I will show you that in the next video because that's only had one coat. I was just focusing on the main bit, you know, downstairs where everyone comes in and comes out, and I wanted it like finished so I can get this video out for you guys as well, and just so I can look at it and enjoy it, because I just love it. It looks and feels like someone else's house. I don't feel like it's my house. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the hallway transformation, the banister modern update, DIY, I'm not really sure what to call it, but it's had a glow up. It's had a hallway glow up, and I love the way it looks. I'm in love with it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you're new here. Also, don't forget about the hype button. That really helps us out as small creators. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.